Mourns untimely demise of Amma. Central government declares one-day mourning after demise of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha. Flags flying at half-mast at President House and other state buildings. President and Prime Minister pay their last respects in Chennai. Former Tamil Nadu Finance Minister O. Pannirselvam was sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu at the Raj Bhavan late last night, hours after Chennai's Apollo Hospital announced AIADMK Chief Jayalalitha's death. All 31 members of the outgoing ministry were sworn in along with him. Jayalalitha's body kept at Rajaji Hall in Chennai for people to pay last respects. Tamil Nadu's beloved Amma to be laid to rest at MGR's memorial at Marina Beach later today. Parliament pays tributes to departed Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha adjourned for the day after obituary references to Amma. In her condolence message, Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan expresses her grief on demise of Jayalalitha. She recalls veteran politicians' contribution for empowerment and upliftment of women, children and downtrodden. 7 days of mourning declared as a mark of respect to departed stalwart. Educational institutions announced 3-day holiday in Tamil Nadu. Bihar too declares 1 day of mourning. President Pranab Mukherjee expresses his condolences, calling Jayalalitha one of India's most charismatic and popular leaders. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also conveys his condolences on passing away of veteran leader. Prime Minister tweets, Jayalalitha ji's connect with citizens, concern for welfare of the poor and the women, the marginalized will always be a source of inspiration. Reactions continue to pour in on tragic demise of Jayalalitha. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj describes her loss as tragic, adding it is painful. In a tweet, she says Jayalalitha was a woman of dignity and self-respect. We shared a warm personal relationship. Political leaders cutting across party lines have expressed their condolence on the passing away of Jayalalitha. BJP Chief Amit Shah tweets he is saddened by the demise of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha ji. Union leaders express grief over the demise of the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and describe it as a huge loss for Tamil Nadu and the country as well. Sri Lankan High Commissioner also sends his condolences, saying as the people of Tamil Nadu grieve the loss of their beloved leader Jayalalitha ji, we in Sri Lanka share their pain. May Amma rest in peace. Massive security arrangements in place to ensure peaceful mourning for the dearly departed Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu as emotions run high across the state and the nation. Meanwhile, preparations underway at MGR Memorial at Marina Beach for the last rites ceremony of Jayalalitha. Nation pays respect to Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar on his Nirman Divas. Prime Minister Modi says India will always be thankful to Babasaheb for his rich service to the nation.